If you want to set up app timers on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, you want to scroll down and you want to go to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. In here, we should be able to find App Timers section. You might find some suggestions that you can, of course, use, or you can just tap on the upper side of the tile in order to set up your first timer. So first, we're going to go to Apps and App Categories. And in here, you can choose individual apps that should be grouped into that timer. So you can choose apps of your choice, or you can just use whole categories instead. That's up to you. You can, of course, mix that as well. So you can choose individual apps and some categories in here as well. And once you select your apps or categories, we can tap on Done. Then we need to set up the name of the timer. So I'm just going to type anything. We can also tap on this icon to change it if you want to do that. And also we have app timer alerts, so you can choose when you want to be informed about getting close to the time limit. Besides that, we can create a schedule, which means that in here we can now choose the timer itself, how long we want to be able to use these apps. So let's say I'm going to set it to 2 hours, but also we can include for which days the timer should be enabled. So if you want to, you can exclude a couple of days from the week. Or you can, for example, make like something like a mix. So for example, for a couple of days, you can set it to, let's say, 2 hours. Then you can add another timer, and then you can set it for 3 hours for the rest of the days. And then we can tap on the save once you are done in here. And there we go, the timer has been created. Keep in mind that whichever app is being used from that timer, then of course the time is shared and it goes down. So if I spend a bit of time in calculator, let's say an hour out of these 2 hours, then I have 1 hour left to use any of the apps that I have categorized in here. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.